Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, financial advisors, and institutional investors. All right, so I got a pre-IPO company update for you here for the week ending 24 March 2023. Today we'll hit on big company news from SpaceX, Epic Games, Klarna, and OpenAI. And of course, we got Tyler's Corner in there too, large capital raises, individual pre-IPO stocks, and stock market performance update as well. All right, so let's rip through these large company news update items. SpaceX, the space payload delivery and satellite internet company, is out in the market again for a cap raise. Two Middle East sovereign wealth funds will be investing, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. Target valuation is 140 billion, which is just slightly higher versus the 137 billion dollar valuation from December of 2022, which was the last primary round. SpaceX offers a liquidity window every 6 months. The company is profitable, so it's unclear if the raise is for current investors and employees to get liquidity, or if SpaceX is retaining some of those monies to operate the business. Regardless, it's nice for secondary market players to have a solid institutional price every 6 months to mark their books. SpaceX is really the only company that kind of has this every 6 month window. SpaceX is down 1% year to date, but it's up 23% over the last year in secondary market trading. Epic Games, the makers of Fortnite and Unreal Engine, introduced Creator Economy 2.0 this week. Epic Games will now pay out 40% of Fortnite's net revenues to creators based on how much players engage with their islands, that's estimated around $400 million per year. I didn't know this, but Epic allows third-party creators to develop content within Fortnite. It's a really awesome concept. Previously, Epic offered creators a support a creator system, horrible name. Creators would only get 5% of a user's purchase from the Epic store, and users had to input a unique creator code. So it was process was very complicated. Many Fortnite creative studios rely on brand deals for income as a result of this complication with the previous system. They used to build virtual worlds to advertise brands like Verizon and Chipotle. So this new kind of creator economy 2.0 is sure to help drive incremental revenue to those really good robust shops. Epic Games is down 59% over the last year in the secondary market. They last raised a primary round in April 2022 at a $31.5 billion valuation. Klarna, the buy now, pay later and general payments company, has jumped on the AI bandwagon. They're now offering OpenAI plugin. That's kind of been all the rage over the last 2 weeks. Shoppers can now ask for specific shopping recommendations. If the options are provided are not suitable, the user can ask additional questions to get requests for more recommendations. And when the shopper clicks on the link there in ChatGPT, that's provided in the chat. It reroutes them to Klarna's search and compare solution. So Klarna does a lot of business where people actually go onto the Klarna app and do shopping there. It's really, really kind of a fascinating business. Klarna stock is down 82% over the last year in the secondary market trading, but revenue was up incredible 46% in 2022. That is nuts, right? Klarna's last primary round was in July of 2002 at a $6.7 billion valuation. These poor folks just had to go to market to get cash at just absolutely the wrong time. So I'm a big believer that this stock's going to see a nice run when the markets do come back. All right, and now for our very special segment from Tyler Siconolfi, an AG Dillon AG Dillon and Co. research analyst. Tyler's got three things for us today. So Deel, that's DEEL, has struck a partnership with Ramp Global. It's another management and human resources platform based out of London. This partnership will help empower Ramp to accelerate the talent search and hiring process and reduce costs. Databricks has launched an AI chatbot called Dolly. Dolly is considered to be a cheaper alternative to OpenAI's ChatGPT and allows companies using Databricks to use AI while not giving away their third-party data to ChatGPT. So more on Dolly next week. And Kraken has inked a sponsorship deal with the United Kingdom based on Formula One racing team Williams Racing. So keep your eye out for the Kraken car, you F1 fans. All right, so okay, big capital raises for the week. We talked eToro last week, but just to reiterate, they raised 250 million Series G at a $3.5 billion valuation. That's down 30% from their last primary round in September of 22. And four of the quick ones, Kin is an online home insurance shop. They raised $109 million Series D at $859 million. Thunes is a cross-border payment network. They did $30 million Series C at a $776 million valuation. Ably is a digital platform for South Korean celebrity-sponsored clothing stores. Raised a $38 million Series C at a $725 million valuation. And Amogy, that's how I'm pronouncing it, it's an ammonia energy production company for vehicles. They did 39 million Series C at a $589 million valuation. All right, last up, we got pre-IPO stock performance. Pre-IPO stocks were down 1.85% for the week versus the S&P 500 up 109 bips. Year-to-date, pre-IPO stocks still trail the S&P by about 11.25%. Okay, not much movement going on in the year-to-date numbers. OpenSea's now up over 30%. Kraken has come way off from where they were. They were up big this year. They're down now only. They're now only up 9% year-to-date. Stripe, Airtable, Epic Games, and Chime are all still down over 20%. Deel and Rippling were, and this is looking at the week, right? Deel and Rippling were both up 2.5% for the week. Kraken got smoked this week. They were down 10.5%. Revolut was down 9%. Brex was down 5%. Okay, right. Let's end it there for the week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. I'd love to dive in with you. We also have two funds available for investment right now. For SpaceX only exposure, visit agdillon.com/SpaceX. We got about $3 million raised for that fund right now. We're going to be closing it on 15 April. And for diversified exposure, check out agdillon.com/top15. We got SpaceX, Stripe, Canva, Instacart, Epic Games, Discord, Plaid, etc. in that fund. Thanks, and see you guys next week.